Who's Nifty? That's bizarre. What the heck is that?
UFO!
What the heck? That's bizarre.
UFO!
What the heck was that? That's really bizarre, guys.
Oh, dude, you should see it in a video camera.
Really?
They're like half orbs and they're pulsating.
Yeah, I see the pulsating part. What the heck?
They're UFOs. Nifty said they were going to be showing themselves here soon.
Who is Nifty?
Nifty is an alien from Andromeda.
Okay. What is that? That's bizarre.
He said that right about now, they're going to make themselves publicly known. They exist in the universe.
Huh.
Because we've entered the galactic ecliptic plane,
Uh-huh.
which has now elevated us from 0 to level 1 civilization. That's a pretty effective way.
Yeah, across the whole.
Everybody's outside shooting.